Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a how to kill a kit with style layout for you today. No other reason except for also I'm using up some, or finally, I'm just saying not using up because I have a kit, that's the point of using it, but finally doing, finishing some of the 30 days of sketches I didn't get done in March. So this one we're working on today, I love. It's from Ronnie Sue Scrapper and it was for the 22nd. What I have is, I don't have very many 12 by 12s left in my kit, which is awesome. But what I have is this rainbow, plaid, I'm going to call it, paper from the Ali Edwards kit, which, oh, I just realized another quarter's coming up. That means I'm going to get another one pretty soon. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, it's coming. And I will have this used up all the product by the time I get that one, which is phenomenal. So I've decided to use that as my background. I have this Confessions of a Paper Addict, a film strip, I think it's film strip 2 cut file. I'll have it linked down below. These are stars from, I don't remember what cut file this is from, but I used it on a layout in March. This is what's left over. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. This was the circle, so I ink blended a cut file, I think in like February, maybe even January, and this is the outside of it. And then when we were shown all the sketches for March, I was like, well, I'm going to keep that because that'll work perfect. So I had this one like ready to go and just never had time to do it. So there's going to be a lot of things on this layout. It's kind of like the use up the things layout, but I'm okay with that. I think it actually all goes well together. So I've got this photo of my son wearing Minecraft jammies. He's one of those, it's one of those things, and basically I wanted to document this because I can just find something he likes if I'm out shopping for other things, and he's my only child, so I spoil him like none other. I see something, I know it's in the budget, I'm gonna get it. I'm not going out and buying crazy things that he doesn't need. He needed summer jammies. He loves Minecraft. It was there at Walmart. Why not, right? But I love how excited he gets about those things. He gets so excited and is so appreciative when I think of him and get him. He could care less that it wasn't a toy. It's something he loves. And so, my title I'm thinking is going to be like, Your Joy is Contagious or something like that. And I'm going to layer these things up over here. I wish my photo was slightly, I wish it was printed bigger and I could see his entire hands and everything, because I would have totally fussy cut him out of the photo. But because he's cut off, I feel like it might kind of look weird. So I'm going to use, I'm probably just going to back him in some yellow, maybe some blue, some other colors, do some good photo layers. I might trim the photo down a little bit just so you can still see the film strip. And we're going to layer these things over, and I'm going to do my title over here. And I'm not going to have to use too much else because there's already a lot going on with cut file, remnants of a cut file, and this crazy, beautiful patterned paper. So you kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. So let me start getting some things glued down. I'll get my photo matted. I'll go through the embellishments I have in my kit, which isn't a lot. And then I actually only have mostly 6x8 papers or A2 papers left, and a couple 12 by 12s, so I'm doing good at this point. But yeah, let me get these things glued down, layers put on, and then I'll find my alphas for the title, which we might try to do in multiple colors as well because we have so much color going on in the back, or I might just do black. I haven't decided that, but I might be do multiple alphas in black. I could also stamp and die cut my title partially too if I wanted to, so we might do that too. Might play around with different ways of creating the title, but that's the plan, so I will be back shortly. All right, I got all that glued down. I've matted my photo with yellow and then actually rainbow paper from Ali Edwards. I have this scrap of vellum that I think I'm gonna just tuck behind my photo to kind of almost give it like a drop shadow effect, if you know what I mean. And then where it stops here, that's where I kind of want to put an embellishment anyway, so that works out well. But yeah, that'll go right here. Okay, so I was thinking, because he's wearing green, doing one of these green labels from Ali Studio. kind of like the idea of this square one. As my base. Maybe also a rectangular one. Right. And I popped this up on foam, so we got to stick some foam underneath it where it lies on the, so it doesn't sink. Oh, I guess maybe just up here and right here. Right, and this is just the beginning of my cluster down here, and I grabbed some alphas for my title. Okay, I feel like that's sturdy enough. But now I want to glue more of this down. So I want to stick this You're a Gem. This little rainbow tab. I love this stuff. Try and use some of it up though. Such a dear. Crazy Beautiful Love. Ordinary. Alright, so then we can add some of these and these things here in a second, but let's get our title down. So I want to do Your Joy is Contagious. Oh yeah, I was going to look into these tags. I still could. Hold on. But this... Oh, that's the only letter I don't have is a T. Or an S. Well, that was silly. Why did I think I had all the letters? Not really sure. Yeah. I can make them though, so that will be good. So an S can be made from an 8. Where's my scissors? And a T can be made from pretty much any letter.
Mom, I found X.
Good. But we'll do this left over here and then...
Oh, we already got it.
That. Okay. And we're going to do your on this side, kind of centered in the middle of the line. I love tile alphas because there's always lots, and you get way more on your sheet, I feel like, than with regular alphas. There. Joy is contagious. And then we need to do a cluster up here. So maybe I could do a tag and some other things. That is not straight at all. Actually, it might be pretty close.
And another X.
Good.
A silver trophy. That isn't an artifact. That's silly.
That is silly.
There wasn't a swing here before. There was not a swing here before.
I want to be able to write a little bit more, so I'm going to pull these up, cover this one up, because I screwed up on it. Reglue those down. We're going to do a little cluster of labels over here. Kind of a long one. Extra glue. There's just random things in here. These lemon and lime slices. Just gonna put them on the page. They're colorful. Why not, right? Get them used up. Get them used up. Some random red sequins that look like flowers. And just some plain ones. These little wooden heart. This little blue heart. Ooh, we'll do the blue heart, I think, right here. These are little fish. They're colorful, so we're gonna sprinkle them. They're like the little clay. I should save them for like a shaker pocket with fish in it, but I'm using them now, so I'm not saving them. They make no sense whatsoever. Scrappy Kathy would be proud. Super random. Okay, and then this is just, I think this is the inside of something. I don't think this belongs anywhere besides being a circle element. And I have yellow twine. Let's see. Since we got a circle element up there, now we got a circle element down here. That kind of goes. I don't know, you guys. I'm just doing random. It's bright, it's colorful, there's color everywhere. So I feel like the random things, it doesn't really matter. Let's see, I've got some more butterflies in here. I've got some chipboard pieces. This one says totally awesome. In red. I think we'll stick down. Right there. We can do some of these sequins, these random sequins that are in this little pack, because they are very random. I'll just leave the butterflies and the flowers in there for a different layout. Since we've got the most random things going on here, yep, using those random embellishments, you guys. Gotta use them up. Okay, and then I can do a little bit more journaling, which is nice. I still didn't use the tags, but that's fine. Just have some yellow twine. That's not a big deal. And then let's sprinkle some gold. All right, now I will journal. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is journal and add some, I think, gold hearts around. It's very random. It's just kind of like a use up some stuff layout. That's what it seems like. But it's fun and I enjoy it. And that's all that matters, right guys? Right. Round out some of these clusters with some gold hearts. Where it seems that they need to be. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna journal, and that's all I got. So thanks for watching this random stick down of items for this last bit. I just wanted to use up some of the embellishments I had in my kit yet, and I'm gonna be making another layout at least here soon, but I'm gonna do my journaling. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.